Osaka French Gel Nail Brush Dotting Tool. Like it a lot. My friend bought for me different kind, not Osaka brand, it didn't work good like the Osaka one. One thing is the price, it is too expensive. 15 PCS New Nail Art Acrylic Design Polish Brush. I bought it for my friend and they all like it. The price is reasonable and I got them within a week. Acrylic UV Gel Brush Rest Nail Brush Holder Display. Use this as a small inexpensive holder for paint brushes. Not for nails, but for fine art. Works great. Lightweight and a lot less in cost over porcelain brush holders that cost a ton more. Perfect product. Mini Rhinestones Cosmetic Nail Art Dust Remover Face Brush Pink&White. Professional cosmetic tool for makeup.Very soft brush plastic handle easy be used and light.It helps you look more beautiful.Fluffy head is ideal for touch-ups with face powder bronzing powder and blush suitable for professional makeup salon cosmetics school college makeup artist and personal home use wholesale etc.Practical in use and easily portable. It gives a perfect finish to makeup for a natural luminous or sophisticated professional result. Color show as pictures. Notice color of pictures may varies by different monitor setting. All pictures are real stock photos. Package include 1x dust remover brush. Myagel Pink&White dust remover brush for nail art. Super soft brush for dusting off delicate structures such as your keyboards and computer screens. Manicure Set Cuticle Remover, Acetone, Merthiolate, Brush, Pusher. Manicure Set Cuticle Remover, Acetone, Merthiolate, Brush, Pusher and Nail File. Fuji Nail Art 3D Brush Size 4. Fuji Nail Art 3D Brush Size 4. BMC Creative Brush on Nail Art Gel Polish Acrylic. A lot smaller than I expected, shipping was super fast. Overall great colors. Great product. Generic 15 PCS Set Black Nail Art Polish Brush. I like to do my nails every once in a while, but I've always used only one color because I never had the tools to do anything more interesting. I've wanted to buy the brushes, but they're too expensive to buy alone. This kit is awesome because it has all the brushes I need for one low price. The brushes allow me to do all sorts of cute designs. They are small enough that I can make intricate designs that are impossible to do with the brushes in the nail polish bottles. The bristles are quite soft and pliable, which I think is a good thing. The construction of the brushes seems pretty sturdy. I pulled on them, and they don't come apart on my hands. Of course, there are always duds, but all of mine were good. They should last a long time if I don't abuse them. I am so happy I bought this kit. I'll never need to go to a salon to get really cute nails again. I've attached a picture of what I did using the brushes. Please excuse the chips as I took this picture 6 days after I did my nails. I received this product at a discount in exchange for an unbiased review. That being said, I would definitely buy it at its normal price if I didn't already have it. Ibu 20 PCS Nail Art Design Set Painting Drawing. It is well made and exactly like the listing states. The tools are amazing. I love to do my nails all the time. I have so far painted flowers, polka dots, and strips with this set to try it out. The set works great. This high quality set is easy to use and easy to clean. It comes in a case to keep all your tools from getting lost and organized. The pictures below will show you how nice the case is. If you are into nail art and are looking for a great nail art set, this is the one to get. I promise you won't be disappointed. There are so many brushes and dotting tools to give you so many options and effects you can do. I have received this product as a sample directly from the seller in exchange for my honest and unbiased opinion based on my personal experience with the product. BMC Latex Poly Peel Cuticle Protector Nail Art Polish Accessory Precision. So I usually use a tub of standard latex meant for body painting, applied with a Q-tip. It's cheap, but as often as I do nail art, the Q-tips are very wasteful and I'm left with the issue of not really being able to get the very edges of my eponychium to prevent polish flooding the edges. So yep, this stuff beats a tub of standard latex. In a 2-pack of bottles, each is a standard ½ ounce, typical for nail polish. They're the size of julep bottles. The brush is very small, the same as a striping brush. That's great for 2 reasons. They make it easy to get a nice clear border by wrapping the poly peel around your skin edges, totally avoiding the nail. They also make it possible to DIY some nail designs on your nail. Do a base color, then draw some stripes with the poly peel, paint over the whole nail, peel the poly peel off. Even beyond nail art, just plain old painting your nails benefits from using this. I use a peelable base coat and this product when I'm using dark navy blues, because once a heavily pigmented blue floods your cuticles, yikes. I wrap my cuticles in this before putting any heavily pigmented polish near my nails, since no amount of scrubbing can get that staining away from your skin. There's some micro glitter in there too, but it'll be settled upon arrival. Spend a good minute shaking the bottle to suspend the glitter evenly. There's no purpose for the glitter. It just makes it pretty, winky face. The glitter may help you notice when it's dry, but the dark shiny color is the main giveaway there. It turns many shades darker than it looks in the bottle and flattens, and it's very obvious when it's dry. Speaking of drying, it dries quickly. Possibly quicker than body painting latex, which is possibly because it's thinner. One last note. So this, like many types of latex product, has ammonia. I wasn't into that, but it doesn't seem to have caused any issues, and the smell is really not noticeable unless your nose is 3 inches from your fingers. The smell evaporates as the poly peel dries, and is barely noticeable to begin with. In this amount, I guarantee there are no adverse effects unless you're drinking the stuff. I have very sensitive skin and it hasn't harmed my skin in any way, and it's far better for skin than the amounts of acetone it'd take to remove polish if you didn't use latex to cover your skin, winky face. So if you're as hesitant as I was upon sniffing the poly peel, don't be. Unless you're somehow allergic to ammonia, there's no problem at all. So downsides, maybe the price for the 2-bottle amount is unattractive. It's more expensive than other similar products. Other than that, I'm very extremely happy with this and use it every single time I paint my nails now. Hope I covered it all, winky face. I bought this discounted in return for my opinions and review after use. Anself 1 PCS Nail Art Painting Brush Acrylic UV Gel. BQAN Polish Painting Gel Nail Liner. Can be used to paint flowers. Good gathering, easy to handle and operate. Great for fine nail artwork, suitable for professional use and home use. Features: nylon hair, 3 sizes for selection. Can be used to paint flowers. Non-deformation and non-corroding, durable for longer use. Good gathering, easy to handle and operate. Great for fine nail artwork, suitable for professional use and home use. Specifications: type, nail painting brush material, crystal nylon bristle quantity, 3 PC main application, paint flower and polish painting bristle length, 7 mm, 9 mm, 11 mm item size, Approximate 14.51 cm 5.70.4 in package size, approximate 17.51.5 cm 6.80.6 in weight, approximate 20 g 0.7 ounces package list, 1 nail brush. Fashion Gallery 3PC Pink White Clear Transparent Color. This gel is very good. I really like how manageable is, even though both the clear and the white came with only half in them. I didn't feel it was necessary to complain about it, even though I would have loved for the whole container to be full due to the fact that I didn't want to return and wait for the replacement. Still, it doesn't change the fact that is a very good gel, no allergies, no yellowing, is very good quality.